Hi, everybody. It's week 2. I hope your spring break was nice, as well as it could be considering the intense times, the unprecedented situation we find ourselves in. I want to thank you guys if you're still out there working and taking precautions and being safe, but at the same time making sure that things hit the shelf and that our EMS and healthcare workers are supported. I want to thank you and your family members for doing that. I really appreciate it. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about our outline, the modules that are on Canvas. And just real quickly, I want you to know that I want to set it up for consistency so that you know exactly what you're going to do from week to week. Okay, the modules are listed by week. There is a topic that's listed there as well as the date so that you kind of remind as we are staying home and maybe not paying attention to the calendar so much where we're at. And then under each module, there will be the exact same activities and to do from week to week. Okay, there's a topic. That topic will be presented either from a video or a reading assignment or a website that I want you to go and check out. Then there will be a discussion. The discussion will have questions that I write. I want you to answer, and I really want you to use an outline because the discussions now in week 2 are worth 20 points. So I need you to do 20 points worth of work to be considered passed on that. Okay, so keep that in mind. To create a whole new thread and to have your post show up in the gradebook, you need to actually reply at the top under the instructions. And then I've asked you to reply to another student. That is different than you actually posting, okay? That won't show up. I do want you to, reply to another student's thread, but just remember that that's not actually the assignment that you will get credit for. Okay, so that's the second thing that you do weekly. The third thing that you're going to do weekly is the review, okay? That's in a quiz format, but it is a review. You have two chances to take it, and you just get credit for doing it. But it is challenging. Have fun with the challenge. That's why I say write notes, you guys, especially when it comes to the reading and the video segments or something. Give yourself, write some notes so that you have some information. Those questions will come directly from the week's topic. And so forth. Then in week 2, we have an additional, which is a third activity, and that is the creative work. For drawing and painting students and for the ceramic students just for week 2, you guys are sketching. You're just sketching some ideas. That's it. For the drawing students, I'm asking you to draw 2 small sketches to get in preparation for our project. The painting students, I'm asking you to sketch 1 sketch, fairly detailed, getting ready for a painting. And then the ceramic students are sketching their letters for our relief word art project. That's it, you guys. Week 2, we're just sketching, and they're actually due in week 3, but whenever you upload them, that's fine. You just hit submit, and you can upload the photo and so forth. Or if you put your work, you've created like a Google slide or a Google Classroom for yourself, you can upload your work there and just provide a link. Okay, so quickly, you guys, I just want this to be really, really straightforward. The naming conventions on each model, it'll tell you which week it is, and it'll tell you week number and the discussion. That means that you've got something to do. The week review, you've got something to do, and the week creative work means that you've got something to do. That's how it works. Everything else on the module are just resources for you to look at and links for you to look at so that you can get some background. Plus, there is a module that has some resources. So if you don't want to do the project that I present each week or the 2 projects that we're going to be required for the quarter, then I want you to go on to those and look at the ideas that I've collected from Pinterest and created ceramics board, painting board, and some drawing stuff. Check it out. You can do something. Just know that the quantity, I'm going to be grading on the quantity of work and the quality of work. And if there's ever an issue, I'll just contact you individually to talk to you, discuss with you about what we can do to bring up the level. And also just to say, congrats and good going. A handful of you have been disciplined, you've gotten online, you've gotten going. So awesome, you guys. We can get through this. We're going to learn a lot. And I love you and I miss you.